Welcome back and thanks for tuning in. Now, today we will be diving again to the world of headsets, this time an entry Bluetooth headset from JBL. The reason why I'm calling this entry headset is the fact that this is the cheapest headset that JBL offers at the moment. At time of shooting this video, this retails around 30 euros. Still, this should be a good choice for daily use. This model is a baby sister for the 720 that I've covered earlier. 720 has a little bit bigger speaker elements, so the sound quality should be maybe a little better, but let's find out and see. No, of course, the cushions are different with 720 compared to the 520. On 720, the cushions go around your ear, and compared to 520, the cushions go over your ear. The battery life on 520 is actually quite impressive, 57 hours, but 720 should outlast that with the 76 hours of promised battery life. Both of these have Bluetooth 5.3 and they support multipoint. So basically you can connect this to your phone, tablet and laptop at the same time and switch the devices where you want to use it. Of course, let's also compare this to the predecessor 510. Excuse me. Design-wise, these are identical. The 510 doesn't have a such long-lasting battery, it doesn't have a multi-point, and the Bluetooth connection is only 5.0, but that's not really something that usually bothers you in daily use. At this point, I want to point out that the only reason why I have the 520 here is that the 510 has mechanically failed me. Speaker elements work well, the connection is stable, battery does hold its charge quite well, but these failed me mechanically. This is very nice do-it-yourself fix, but it's not really usable anymore. I have to point out that the 520, as same as the 510, is purely made out of plastic. From mechanical point, it's not very long-lasting headset. If you want something that will last longer, look for a model that has metal on the band and the pieces that hold the earpieces on your head. Okay, let's move to the unboxing part. Oops. Okay, the box is empty. The headset is here. Let's check what's rest. The very standard user guide manual. Nothing more here. So common 10 centimeters long USB-A to USB-C cable. We now have 5 of these. Once again points to JBL, no plastic in the package. This is identical actually to the 510. There's the USB-C connection for charging, then there is the playback control, volume rocker, power/pairing. No, that was fastest unbox, but hey, now it's time to pair these and test. Alright, there's the 510 pairing and connected. Nice. The good thing about JBL is that they use the same app on all of the headphones, so let's check that if there is any firmware updates. 0%. Estimated 10 minutes. Well, nice. Oh, okay, it's going faster, only 2 minutes, but that kind of scared me. The settings that you can change from here are pretty much the same as they are with every other JBL headset. The voiceover controls how much of your own voice you can hear when you're making calls. The smart audio video is promising to give you the best experience when listening music or watching videos. I'm not really sure how that works, but okay, it's the best quality. You can change the balance, okay. Prompts are English. Are there Finnish here actually? Nope. No Finnish. Well, why does it say update? Update voice prompts. Oh no, I'm not going to do that at this point. This is a good that there is a max volume limiter, so you can ensure that the headsets don't damage your hearing. Auto power off in 30 minutes. Yeah, okay. That's about it. Let's do the standard thing and play some tunes. Once again, let's go with the Unforgiven. As I mentioned, the 720 has bigger elements. The voice is a little bit more full and the bass feels more deeper. The difference is really small with these two. So when you find these in campaign around 30 euros, yeah, I totally recommend these. If the price tag is 50 euros, I recommend that you see what other headsets are available. That's about it. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.